there here. Come. Move it closer. 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 Ray, you can do it. Hey, you can do it. Okay, come on, come on. Come on, come on. This way. This way. Come on.
I'm coming that way. Give me a sec. I gotta go slow.
Follow me where I'm going, Daddy. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh.
I fell down. Hey, what? You do?
I just crashed.
Hey, I don't think I love you way.
You're not in my way, bro.
I'm sitting up your way. Why you go down, 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 plop, plop?
Oh.
The ball. Then you need. Hey, how are you doing? Daddy, we are to see you.
Hi.
Hi.
All right, I'm gonna come in with you.
Follow me.
Where are we going? Ooh, nice flex. Oh! Oh. Hit the camera guy. You got yours?
Nope. I roll down. Are you coming with me?
Trying. It's hard to film and drive.
There we go. There we go. Oh, that's right. I need to go fast. Oh, I stuck.
The long-awaited cresting of the hill.
Go up there.
What's up, crooked bumper? Ugh. These things. I hate that.
Oh,
Ugh.
wait. Oh!
Ender's over there going crazy.
There we go. Oh. Whoa. Down. How I know.
This stuff's really soft and grippy on the tires. I haven't been able to get up this bear's leg. His leg in here. Hey, so why wasn't that easy before?
My red point RC card. Oh, yeah, yeah. Wow.
Onto the laptop and the book.
Go, Mommy. Ah.
Oh!
Whoa! I went down the hill. I went down the hill. Oh!
Nice.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
I'm stuck.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Rescue.
I got it.
You got him?
Yeah, I got it.
Look, you match your truck, red and black. You got the Maine Moose on there, huh?
Yeah.
How old are you? Oh. What are you, almost 3? Just beating on it. So that's the couch line right there. We're gonna go back to the start, and then we'll get some video of hopefully this hard trail, which it looks like is destroyed from Ender trying to go over it with his feet.
Alright, I know down it. Alright, I know down it. Hi. 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 Bye. Bye. Oh. Oh, not that way.
Really slow, yeah. This is what we do on rainy days.
Oh.
If you're wondering about the shocks, I already said before, but it's the Power Hobby. Oh! Power Hobby, not Hot Racing like everyone else. I just found it on Amazon. Let's go fast. No! Can I correct it? Yeah. Now I gotta turn around. Austin Powers turn. Nope.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, the cliffhanger. Surely sudden death if you go back over that. Oh! Look at that flex out. Oh, wheel lift on the top. Oh, oh! There we go. All right, we're gonna just cut to the front here. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try up.
I'm going to try it.
I think I gotta give it a little more juice because I'm not going more aggressive enough. Oh, oh. That's what happens when you try to fix it and there's nothing around. Unless there's a 2-year-old. Thank you. Almost 3-year-old. So I'm gonna try and come this way. Go up that. Here we go. Little side hill action.
Where I'm going. Wow. Wow. Wow.
It's gonna be a long video because I'm still gonna drive the Land Cruiser.
Wow. Wow.
Super soft.
No, that's not super soft.
Oh,
That's
I don't have my lights plugged in, so they flash every once in a while.
flash.
Yep. This is the inside of the ottoman here for a couch.
I'm going to follow you.
Kind of a step. Oh, Ender's pushing me.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
not touching you.
not anymore, because we both fell.
Touch me both. Oh,
Yep.
that's my legs.
Show me your truck. What kind of truck is that?
It's yellow.
It's yellow, huh?
Yeah,
Are you colorblind?
yeah, it's terrible.
I hope the truck's colorblind, not you.
Oh, nothing. No, I don't know.
Ugh.
Why you go up the track?
All right, let's just,
Why you go
because
up?
there's like 2 lips. We'll do that.
Why you go up?
Still gonna be pretty difficult.
Dad, why you go up the 2 wax with me? I don't get up.
Oh. All right, let's try a little speed.
I'm trashed. I'm trashed.
Oh, had it though.
Daddy.
Reset.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 oh. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
What's going on over there?
Me?
Yo.
You got it?
Land Cruiser time. This thing isn't as sensitive.
Oh.
I guess it's not as fine movement. Nowhere near as heavy as I'd like it to be. Oh, first try though. A little bigger. Oh. Here we go.
It's not your truck. It's my truck. Oh, big truck.
Whoa. Wheelie action. All right, watch out. I'm going your way.
Oh.
Come on. There we go. It's like a really abrupt once it does start going.
Follow me, Daddy.
I'm trying. Hold on.
Wow.
I don't want to roll over. It doesn't look bad. It's just a little wonky. Like, it feels more Chinese, I guess. Your Bible's over here. I'm currently running over it.
No.
Sorry, word of the Lord.
My Bible. It's my Bible. I want all.
Little flexing going on.
Mommy, why are you using it? Away?
It's really hard to crawl this. Not a huge fan of how much input it takes to go. Because once I have trim control, but once it starts to go, it's really moving. So it's hard to kind of get it rolling smoothly. Sorry for the terrible filming on it. I'm concentrating so much on the throttle input that...
There we go. I'm up here. Where do I went?
So I told my wife today, this is her truck, I said, I'm going to buy everything I need to make this thing a scale version of Sooty from 4-wheel drive 24/7. She just shook her head at me, considering I just got into this hobby like mid-October. Here we go. Oh, really?
I need to dip here. Here.
Dun 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 na 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 na. It's really hard to film this truck because it's so much bigger.
Oh.
Oh, oh.
Up here I am. To push you.
Oh, I didn't think that was gonna happen. Here comes Ender in the deadbolt.
The devil.
Can we get up over the bear's leg?
Yeah.
It's the bare necessities. It's really hard to drive slow.
Right on the I cannot.
This thing's only been outside like once. All right, back up.
Oh. Nope. And oh. Wow.
I just kicked my other truck.
Daddy.
Moving, trying to film this Mamma Jamma.
Oh.
It does look good though.
Oh.
The wheel on the back looks dope. I bought this from Cross RC, which is, I think, just a rebranding of Hobby Plus, or like a reseller of Hobby Plus. Oh no! There we go.
Oh.
And Ender crashes.
You're right, Mom. I'm a big boy. Get him out.
Kids say the darndest things.
Follow me up.
Pushing that ARB up.
Follow me.
Oh, it looks like an ARB. There we go.
Follow me up that.
Oh no, my first rollover. Well, second rollover. Thankfully, I have a 2-year-old to.
Do him the right
You want me to go the hard way?
Yeah, that way.
All right, here we go.
You're right, Pam. You.
Well, don't get too close.
You're right, Pam. That's broken.
Oh.
Oh.